this training video, I'm going to teach you how to search for properties that are free and clear of any mortgages, right? So kind of that perfect scenario where there's no debt owed on the property. The very first thing we want to do is choose our location. Next, what we're going to do is do these properties that are free and clear. Now, let me just remind everybody that this is every type of property. It doesn't matter if it's multifamily, commercial, mobile home, townhome, condo, single family home. We're going to absorb all of these types of properties. Now, when we get back to the results, let me show you a very important thing that you want to do is this property owner occupied or absentee owner? Now, if you're an investor that's obviously looking for properties to buy, I would go absentee owner because just because somebody lives there doesn't mean they want to sell the property, right? Now, if you're a realtor and you're using, REIPro as more of a marketing tool to find those homeowners where you could put together postcard campaigns and mail them, then you would choose owner occupied. We're going to scroll down and we're going to just get to the single family. Again, depending on what type of properties you are looking for, you would make those adjustments. Also down to the values, what price range are you looking for? You might be that investor looking to kind of that rehab, or maybe it's 300 to 600,000. Whatever that price range is that you're looking for, we can go ahead and put it there. Obviously, potential equity is 100, right? So these are properties that don't show any debt on the property. Can exclude HELOCs, any kind of reverse mortgage, which wouldn't necessarily be in this particular example, but just to show you do have that ability. Property attributes, again, depending on, what are you looking for from a bedroom, a bathroom? If you're the standard, I'm looking for a good rehab, just show me all the 3-bedroom, 2 baths. Does square feet matter? Does lot size? Last sold date, as an example. Maybe we go more than 2 years, where the owners own this at least for 2 years. Maybe you go 5 years. Maybe you go 10 years on this. I think it's, you could do so many different filters here, and it changes the query. So I do like to work with individual owners instead of company-owned properties. To me, not too relevant if they're in-state, out-of-state. The fact of the matter is, I know the property is free and clear. I know it's an absentee owner. Are you interested in selling this property? I'm going to go ahead and apply those filters. You're going to see those numbers go down to that 43. It's a good specific targeted list here. And again, just a reminder, if you haven't watched any of the other videos, use the map, to really focus in and fine tune these results. You can obviously put the school systems. I could throw down some neighborhood boundaries, and maybe you're that investor that says, hey, only focus in on very specific neighborhoods. This is going to help really kind of fine tune these results. And if I know that, hey, I only focus, let's just say these 4 neighborhoods, maybe I can use my drawing tool to narrow that down. Once I do have my final list of results that I want, I can go to the action. I can select all of them. I can now either put them in a marketing campaign and do either postcard mailing, letter mailing, bulk skip tracing. You could add it to your properties and start working them, or you can export this list and do something else with it. Hope this training video helped, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.